When I first started noticing the new hair growth, I was ecstatic. I didn't know, I just couldn't believe it.
You know, when I first noticed that HairMax was working and my hair was growing back, I was excited.
It's amazing because now my personality is back. Now I can shine, now I can come in and be the light of the room that I used to be.
Using the HairMax laser has really given me my confidence back. I feel like I've taken control of my life again.
Now I feel proud, I'm happy, and life is good.
I feel more confident. I feel more like a man.
Now I feel great, I feel youthful, and I'm ready to take on the world with HairMax.
So now I can say 100% all around my head is fabulous, and that feels really good. HairMax is amazing.